My name is Alex Chen and I work for Celestica. I'm the lead technology development engineer.
My name is Saharnaz Montazeri. I'm a PhD student here at McMaster Manufacturing Research Institute.
Jill Urbanek at the University of Windsor. I'm Associate Professor in Mechanical, Automotive, and Materials Engineering there.
It's a very good platform for the federal government to promote and to help the Canadian manufacturing to move up to be competitive in the world.
Here at McMaster, we are working on the develop the new method and technique which can improve the tool life and also the tool wear.
I think the supercluster really has wonderful potential.
So I saw some case studies and really help us to move up to the Industry 4.0.
I was particularly interested in the bimetal machining and some of the additive and some of the other elements here that are research focused.